It's been a hot minute. This will be the first video I've done this year. Sorry about that. That's my fault. Part of the reason that I haven't done any videos is that I can't keep up with my own pace that I'm setting. There's too much going on in this house. So going forward, I'm going to record a video. I'm going to release it. And I'm not really going to stick to a schedule. If it comes out on a Wednesday, it comes out on a Wednesday. If it comes out on Tuesday, it comes out on Tuesday. If it doesn't come out that week, it comes out next week. So be it. 2025 has started off very strange, hasn't it? And I don't just mean me personally. You look at what's going on in the world. Who knows what's going to happen? So moving forward, I intend to start making videos, starting with this one. And next week, and so on. That's the intention. May not happen that way. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I will put out a video when it's ready. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to stick to a schedule. I said that. So, my intention is to make videos that are about storage, about FreeBSD, about firewalls, and maybe other stuff thrown in as well, as and when it pops up. We shall see. But for now, what I just wanted to pop up and say, hello, I'm back. We're all good. We're all fine. Nothing to worry about. And let's get 2025 started, shall we? I'll see you in the next video. Take care all. Bye-bye. Well, that was a crap exit.
Many unbearable hours later.
Right, I'm going to chip off now. Get some stuff done. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, my God. I'm going to chip off now. Get some stuff done. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and I'll see you later. What's going on with my hands? Edit it and make it look good. Laters.